There is a mountain that is higher than all other. There is a river that flows with life. There is a people that is called by the name of Yah, a nation whose ruler is God. We are the answers to the questions of this world. We are solutions. We are the light. We are the watchers who stand by night. Tell the people about the sound of rain, 'cause I hear the sound of rain.